ride what you brought.
Redneck Yacht Club is an outdoor sports park where people or individuals come up here, ride around their four-wheelers, ATVs, swamp buggies, camp out.
You got doctors, you got attorneys, you got the blue-collar workers, you got everybody.
You'll see $200,000 buggies come in, down to kind of what we call run what you brung, whatever they can build to get out here to get in the mud.
I think there's a really big need. You're running out of wood, so you can just go ride on. So everybody started complaining. We're like, well, let's do something with our property. Gave them a place to ride, and it seems to be working out.
This is one of the main camping areas. As you can see, we got flooded rain. Doesn't seem to affect the customers there. They love the mud and water, whether it's in a camping area or not, it seems like.
Redneck Yacht Club, baby!
This is the ATV area. We just grow potatoes right here. This to your left is the main mud hole. This is where all the activity gets going on later on. They get a little crazy. There's the buggy wash there. But when it's hot, this is a hangout. When it's hot like today, it'll be busy.
Hard all week so you go play in the mud. It's great little American fun, man.